Hello, everyone. Happy Thursday. Today we are going to be taking our second reading assessment. When you log onto Eduphoria, please make sure you click English. Make sure you take your test in English. Okay? If you've forgotten how to access the test, I will add that slide after this slide here. Everyone say hi to Miss Miranda.
What
up? I've also included a riddle for today just to get your brain flowing and
Flow that brain.
to get your mind going. Let's see. Yesterday's riddle. The answer to yesterday's riddle is yesterday. You can never see yesterday again. And today's riddle is, what kind of room has no doors or windows? Let me know on the next slide.